Here I have XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So to do this, firstly open settings, then you go to the privacy protection section. You go to the passwords privacy protection, then to the protection, you switch from the awareness to protection, scroll down, go to the special permissions, find install unknown apps here. So here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. So let's pick, for example, browser, and then allow from this source. So then you have to tap I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily, and tap OK. And after that you can install unknown apps through browser as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.